Hey guys, it's Miss All of Five. We finally made it to Miami.
Woo!
Unfortunately, we had flight delays. We had airport personnel who don't know their jobs.
I got lost.
Crystal got lost. We were
In
trying to
another
find
building.
her for 2 hours. So it's been drama after drama since we've been here. But we're here and we're getting ready to get ready for the live stream event tonight. We just want to let you guys we got here safely and we've been having a ball since we've been here. But things have not gone right now. One thing today, and we're trying to wind down and get ready and clear our minds. But I'm getting ready to do a 10-page letter to the MIA airport. So they really do up today.
You know how hard this is, me.
We recommend it for a 3
We
hour
don't
tour.
recommend anybody to take that 3 hour tour.
Why
Okay?
did Crystal cross the road?
Oh my God, we
on the show.
kind of like asked 10 people where she was and try to get us there, and they all sent us on a detour to hell.
And I asked 6 people, so there's 10 of us 6 equals 0.
Oh my God, I thought I was wondering if Crystal was gonna be losing her mind eventually.
Hey!
Like, cell phones don't work at the airport. We were trying to keep communication with her. Me and Mikey was walking around for days. Trying to find her.
I played on the highway across the airport.
And then finally she found us. So we're here. We just got in.
Yeah, she found us.
After 2 hours. 3 hours for a whole
Yeah. Oh my God. Let me tell you. Airport nightmares, we got stories to tell. Okay. Tune in to 9 p.m. tonight on livestream.com and we'll begin our live stream event. We just want to say thank you guys for hanging there with us today and we'll see you in a little bit. Bye.
Bye.